Hey, how are you guys? Just showing some opportunity in the stock market. These are the stocks that have above average volume, that are moving with price action, and have a very liquid state. Please keep in mind that this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Don't forget to check out our criteria checklist on the description below. Join our Discord chat room. Everything is mentioned there every day in real time and trade ideas. So the goal is to buy low, take profit. Capital preservation is the key. There's always going to be movers, plenty of opportunity in the stock market. So stay disciplined and have your checklist. Let's measure and mention all the opportunities here. SNTG, if you bought it here and sold it here, that would have been 100% of your money. If you bought it here and sold it here, that would have been 15% with that small move. If you bought it here, sold it here, that would have been 40% of your money. TOP, Hong Kong Chinese stocks are moving massively at the moment. Watch them out this week or next week. They could slow down at any moment though, so keep in mind. If you bought it here on this pullback and sold it here, that would have been 74% of your money. If you bought it here on this pullback and sold it here, that would have been 40% of your money. If you bought it here and sold it here, that's 25%. If you bought it here and sold it here, that's 21%. How do we find these tickers? Check out the description below. Everything on all levels are mentioned in our Discord chat room community. Trade the movers, high volume, never stop learning, and have a reliable broker. Description below.